All right, we have one box of 2020 Leaf Metal Pop Century for Boyd B. Good luck, Boyd. Yeah, there's no cards. It's all memorabilia. Alright, we have a Kate Jackson auto. That's 3 out of 7. I don't know who Kate Jackson is. I don't recognize her. You want more for her. Jeremy Renner. 7 out of 20. I know who he is. He's Hawkeye. The Avengers. We have a Scott Bade and Don Moss. I don't know who they are. That's 1 out of 3 though. Co-stars. I don't know what they co-star in. And then we have a cut auto of Bill Wyman. I don't know who Bill Wyman is either. I didn't know who anybody in that box was. Might have heard of him, but I don't know who he was. The sneaker did fill a necklace. We're ripping the sneaker tonight. So congrats on that, Boyd.